Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove duplicate values automatically in Google Sheets. I will show you two easy methods: remove duplicates with a built-in tool and remove duplicates automatically using a formula. So let's get started. Here we have a simple data set with item names, quantity and total sales. Some items appear more than once, like apple, banana or orange. Select the entire data range. Make sure headers are included. Go to the data menu. Click Data Cleanup. Then select Remove Duplicates. A dialog box appears. Check Data has header row. Select the column you want to check duplicates for. I am going to select the item column. Click Remove Duplicates. Now you can see Google Sheets removes all duplicate rows automatically and keep only one entry for each item. Let's move to the second method. Remove duplicates automatically using a formula. Click on a new empty column where you want the clean data and enter the formula is equal to unique open bracket. Now select the range from A2 to C. Close the bracket and press enter. Unique formula removes duplicate rows. It updates automatically when new data is added. So this is how you can remove duplicate values in Google Sheets. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.